Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel BP-CYBERSPACE. Today I will be discussing about the basics of HTML part 3. The topics that I will discuss today is image tag, hyperlinks, MARQUEE and the table tag and the tags associated with all of them. The next tag that we will be discussing today is the image tag or the img tag. See, the image tag is used to insert an image into our HTML document. Two image file formats that are supported by HTML. The first one is .jpeg or Joint Photographic Expert Group, and the second one is .gif or Graphics Interchange format. The attributes of the image tag are source (src) that specifies the location of the image, height that specifies the height of the image, width that specifies the width of the image, border that specifies the border size of the image, and the alt attribute. This attribute gives a label to the image when it is not loaded. If the image is not displayed, then the text inside the alt attribute is displayed. Okay, fine. This is the sample HTML code for the image tag. Here I have written img src equal to touch.jpg, where touch.jpg is the name of the image or the source of the image. Then height I have given 200 and width I have given 200. So height and width is 200 pixels, and border I have given 10 pixels. Okay, so if you look at the output, you will see the height of the image and the width of the image is uniform, and there is a black color border which has a thickness of 10 pixels. This code is exactly similar to the previous code, just there are two changes. In place of touch.jpg, I have written raj.jpg, and I have added another attribute, the alt attribute. And see, if you look at the output, you will see that the image is not displayed because I don't have any picture known as raj.jpg in my file. In place of the picture, the image is not loaded, is displayed because this text is inside the alt attribute. Yes. The next tag that we will be talking about is the MARQUEE tag. See, the MARQUEE tag is used for scrolling a block of text from one part of the screen to another part of the screen. It is a moving text. The attributes of the MARQUEE tag are: number one, height that specifies the height of the MARQUEE, width that specifies the width of the MARQUEE, BG color that specifies the background color of the MARQUEE text, and the behavior that specifies how the text will move. The attribute values of the behavior attribute are scroll, slide, and alternate. They tell us how the MARQUEE text will move from one part of the screen to another part of the screen. And okay, this is the code for the MARQUEE tag. See, here you will see MARQUEE. I have written height is equal to 10%, width equal to 70%, BG color equal to pink. Now, if you look at the output, of this one, you will see that, see, this is the output. You will see the height of the MARQUEE tag is 10% of the screen. The width it covers is 70% of the screen. The color is pink, and the MARQUEE text is moving from one corner of the MARQUEE text to the other corner of the MARQUEE text. Similarly, it is similar to the previous code, but here just I have added the behavior as alternate. That is the difference and nothing else. So if you look at the output of this one, you will see that the text moves from one corner to the other corner and bounce back from the other corner to the next corner, from right to left and from left to right and right to left. It does not go inside like the previous one. That is only the difference and nothing else. Anchor tag, which is also better known as the hyperlink tag. It is one of the most important tags that we will be dealing with. This tag is used to link one web page with another web page. The attribute of anchor tag is href, hyperlink reference. It is used to specify the name of the document that we want to link. Look at the anchor tags code, HTML code. I have written h3. This is heading 3 tag, which I have already discussed earlier. And then ahref is equal to ol.html ordered list, and a is closed. So a is my hyperlink, href is the file that I am referring to, ol.html, and ordered list is the text. If I click on this text, the file ol.html will open. Similarly, if I click on the unordered list text, then ul.html file will open, and if I click on the definition list text, dl.html file will open. This is the output of the HTML code that I have shown you. Here you will see that the three text, ordered list, unordered list, and definition list are blue in color. It has a underline sign under the text, and if I move the mouse cursor over it, it changes into a hand symbol. This means that these three texts are hyperlinked, and if I click on these hyperlinked text, the corresponding HTML files will open. Okay, the next topic that we will be discussing now is the table tag. See, the table tag is basically used to display a set of data in the form of rows and column. Okay, uh, it is one of the most important tags in HTML. And here what happens is, when I want to display data in the form of horizontal rows and vertical columns, I use the table tag. The attributes that are associated with table tag and TD tag, are border, height, width, row span, and call span. See, row span and call span are used to combine rows and columns vertically and horizontally. There are examples. When I show you the examples, you will understand it much better. See, these are the different tags that are associated with the table tag. The TR tag is used to begin a new row. TD tag, it is used to enter data into the cell. TH tag, it is similar to TD tag, but the only difference is it is used for giving heading to a column. And the caption tag is used to give heading to the table. So this is a sample code where I have used table border equal to 1, and then I have used tr, th, td, etc. See, if you look at the output, you will understand what the code is all about. See, I started with the tr tag, So for each row I have a separate tr tag, and inside those rows I either use td or th. Th was used in the first tr tag, and on the rest of the tr tags I have used td tags. The main difference of tr and th, you can see it here clearly. The tags where I have used th tags, it is bold and center aligned. The tags where I have used td tags are all of them are left aligned, and it is not bold, it is normal. Here I have used the call span. If you look carefully at this data, this code, you will see I have written td call span equal to 3, means I am combining 3 columns to form one single column, and in that single column the student details will be displayed. Rest are more or less same. Similar to this call span, I have another tag, that is the row span. Look at this code here. Here I have written td row span equal to 3, and then I have written fruits. And if you see carefully in the code, you will understand. See, fruits, I have combined 3 rows and made one single cell. Out of the first 3 rows of each row, first 3 cells of each row, I have combined them to form one single cell, and I have written their fruits. So that is where we use the call span option. The row span option. Rest of the codes are more or less same. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button. And if you have any queries related to anything, do write in the comment box. Thank you very much again.